So because I allowed you small opportunity, that is why you are becoming lazy. Okuya? Why didn't you clean the house that I asked you to clean?
It's because I want to get this firewood.
Which firewood? This stupid firewood. Drop that firewood so that you can hear me very well. Put it down. Ouch. You see? Anybody that sees us now will think I'm the wicked one. Meanwhile, you are the devil incarnate. What have you not done? Tell me, what have you not done? Eh? Since my son got married to you, he stopped giving me money. For no reason.
Mama, I'm sorry about that. But it's not my fault.
Yes, again. No. It's my fault. Adaeze, say it to me. Tell me to my face. It's my fault. It's my fault that my own son no longer gives me money. All in the name of marrying a wife. I've never seen a pregnant woman before. You know I'm a man, I'm not a woman. I've never been pregnant before. Okay, that's the impression you're giving to me. Be careful. What did I say?
Be careful.
Be very careful with me. Nonsense. Now carry this firewood to the backyard. Clean the whole house, including those pots at the backyard. I don't want to meet them. Then go to the market to go and buy something to cook. If not, I will give you money. Okay, Namia? Yes. This is the first time I'm seeing a pregnant woman. Because I'm barren. Hurry up on them. I hate pretenders. Which if Nanya? If Nanya in the help you. Help you what?
Every time you do it like this. Better cook fast though, because I'm getting hungry already. Virgin Mary.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
What, Mama?
Yes, ma'am.
What, Mama?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me go and see Madam Lucy. Oh, I'll soon be back.
Okay.
Anya Nani, don't give her any chance.
Mama, you're supposed to know.
Okwa snake.
Okay. Oh, Mama, you act as if you don't know your daughter again. Mama, buy me something.
Of course I will. Oh,
bye.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Better do that thing fast, so I'm hungry. Take. Collect this thing from me now. Here.
don't tell me that that's your wish mother-in-law sent you to the market, knowing fully well that you're almost due to put into bed. Who does that?
Ugo, my friend, please, can you get me water to drink? Because I'm very thirsty.
Oh, okay, I'm coming.
Thank you.
Please, have some.
Thank you so much.
Ada, why allowing this woman and her Jezebel daughter treat you like this? I have told you several times to get a job and leave that Favour house for them. Do you want them to kill you before you know you pack out?
And who is going to employ a heavily pregnant woman like me? Eh?
At least you try. My darling, there is no harm in trying. You might be lucky.
Please, Ugoma. I do not want to go down that road again. You remember the last time I got a job? My mother-in-law seized my credentials. So please, I don't want to talk about that one again, because...
This is unfair. Sorry. Are you having any pain there? Sorry. Sorry. Hey, sorry.
Hey.
When did it start?
I started having this pain after I carried firewood.
You what? You did what, Adaeze? You carried firewood? Oh my goodness. Ada, I don't understand you anymore. Why allowing these people treat you like this? Is it because your parents are no more? Is that why they are treating you as if you are a trash? I don't like this. This is unfair. It's unfair. Ndo. I think you need to see a doctor. This kind of thing might be very serious. Oh, sorry.
That's actually why I came here. I came to know if there is any drugs that you can give me from your shop to suppress this pain, because the pain is too much.
You know I'm not a doctor now. I am not a doctor. You need to see a doctor to examine you and know what the problem is.
I know I'm supposed to see a doctor. Yes, I know I'm supposed to see a doctor. But where do you expect me to get money to give to the doctor? You know I cannot see a doctor without money now. You know I don't have money.
How do you mean? Where do I expect you to get money? Does it mean that that's your stupid husband doesn't know he needs to send you money for your upkeep?
Biko, Ugo, please. My husband is not stupid. Biko. It's just that, you know, my phone is bad. My phone is very bad. So even if my husband wanted to send me money, there is no way he will reach me. My phone is bad now, and you know it. He's not stupid, Biko.
There is no need arguing with you. I don't know why you keep defending these wicked people, this wicked family that you got married into. You keep defending them every time, Ada. Let me go inside and see if there is anywhere I can help. I'm coming. Ada, I think this will be enough to see the doctor and to get you some drugs to have it.
Chimo,
what are friends for? Now you're my friend.
Mama, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hey.
You're welcome.
Hold this for me. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, my friend.
What would I have done without you?
It's fine.
See, Ugoma, my God will continue to bless you.
Amen. Amen.
Don't worry. Someday I'll reward you. I'll pay you back for all this your kindness.
You don't need to do that. You are my friend.
Thank you so much. Hey, thank you so much.
You're welcome, my dear. Don't forget to get to the hospital before heading home.
Of course I will. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hey, let me quickly rush to the hospital before I get home.
Okay,
thank you so much. Hey, thank you. Let me start going.
Okay. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care of yourself.
wait, let me talk to you. Eh? Let me talk to you. I'm not a Chinwe. I'm a keeper. Nah. Oh, ghost of my ancestors. You slapped me.
And I will slap you again if you dare try such nonsense. How dare you touch me?
You slapped me. Eh? You have the audacity to slap me. Hi.
Just try to touch me with those your poverty-stricken hands again, and I will give you a more hotter slap. Try me.
Oh,
Nah,
I see. You don't have the mouth to talk. Can't see one. No. You don't have the mouth to talk. Okay, because you are not at home. You don't have the audacity to talk. Just wait. By the time I report you to F9, that your wings will come down. You could get away there.
Nah, Koyeri. I dare you to touch me again.
You slap me.
Just try and touch me again. Metumaka I will rubbish.
You think you're beautiful?
Very stupid, useless, a flave. Stupid boy.
You think you're beautiful?
A flave.
Never not a male. Just look at how she slapped me. Huh?
Chai, Obi.
Just look at.
Baby, sorry.
Even Choketa was with a beer joy, chilled beer. That's what I want now. Look at my face.
But baby, Nini looking. But baby, what did you do to Adaeze that made her slap you like this? Eh? My love, look at your face now. Eh? Did she want to destroy this handsome face for me?
That is the problem.
Eh?
I did nothing to her. What if I did nothing to her. I was just minding my business, no biocha. And she was passing and I greeted her. And she come and slapped me. I'm serious.
Obima, are you sure?
Are you not doubting me?
Are you sure? Because I can't see Adaeze slapping you without you doing her anything.
I did nothing to her. I was just greeting her. You know how normal now? I was just greeting her. The next night I hear my cheek that she slapped me.
Just like that. Don't worry. Obi, I believe you. Eh? Don't worry. When she returns, I will teach her a lesson. About that girl.
That is it. Now you come. See, I want to tell you something. Teach her a serious lesson. Beat her.
Don't you trust me?
Because
again?
you know, I don't want to touch her. I don't want to be a pregnant woman.
Calm down, be calming down. Adaeze, come here. Okay, come here first. Adaeze, who told you that you can slap my man? Eh? And go scot-free. Eh?
Which man?
Odogumu.
I cannot see any man. No. Is this one a man? Man.
Adaeze, I can see you are jealous because my man is handsome. Up where?
Yes,
you are jealous. She's jealous now. Obi.
Hey, Adaeze, you have suffered. So if they call men to come out, this Ekume sitting here that you call your boyfriend,
just Christ,
will join the line.
Adaeze,
Moi.
Adaeze, what did you just say?
Moi qui way Ekume.
Don't you dare lay your hands on me again. In Apuala.
You hold my hand.
No. She's pregnant.
She hold my hand.
No, I have told you this girl is a witch.
Obi, you have forgotten. Leave me. Leave me.
You know she's pregnant. Small time you say two of us beat a pregnant woman. When I was telling you this girl is a witch. Leave her now. Can you be a Jew? Let's just go and drink.
Adaeze.
Leave this girl.
Adaeze. Adaeze. Adaeze now, Mamo.
Small time, they will start saying we beat pregnant woman, no.
Since you have decided to give me trouble in my own house, I will give you double trouble.
Mama, I didn't do anything to Ifnaya. She's lying.
Shut up. Mecholo. What are you saying? Running your mouth like tap water. Who is lying? So you're calling my own daughter a liar. Okay? Don't try it next time. When you finish washing these clothes, go back and wash all the pots. Okay, Nanwe? My good friend, you needed to have seen what I did to that girl. By the time I'm done with her, she will go back to where she came from.
Good. That is very good. Since she doesn't want to dance to your tune, teach her a lesson she will never forget on time. By the time you're done with her,
Nemo, thank God I took your advice.
Hey.
And guess what?
What?
What? I made sure I spoiled her phone, so my son Ekene can no longer reach her.
Good. That way, any money he sends will be coming to you.
Yes. Exactly. Okay, pregnancy of 9 months. We still go to the farm, break firewood, go to the stream.
Don't mind them.
So lazy. Here and there. So irritating.
At least your own daughter-in-law is pregnant. I don't know what is wrong with my law. I don't know.
You mean she's yet to get pregnant after 2 years of marriage?
I don't know whether that her stomach is still intact. Honestly speaking, but that is by the way. What of that land you told me your son went to buy?
I forgot. You know that land that Amore?
That fertile land near the market.
Wow. Again, my son wants to buy it too. He said he wants to build his personal house there.
That means Ekume is now a big boy.
Not only a big boy, Ekume is in money. What is the good guitar? I'm telling you. One. Do you know he sent us 200,000 naira for foodstuffs? Ekume is a golden child.
Do you know what? You should start now to make Ekume your son distrust that wife. In that way, any money he is sending will be coming to you. If not, when he comes back, he will go back to that his wife. God
forbid.
Yes.
You have a point there. You know what? I'll think of a lie to tell him when he calls today.
You will think of a lie to tell him. With auntie.
Go. Thank you, my son. Oh, nah. Are you serious?
Mama, your food is ready.
Oh, Nabo. I'm happy to hear that.
Mama, is that my husband on the phone?
Namo, your wife wants to speak to you. Oh, but hold on for her, oh.
Hello, Uncle. I'm fine. How are you? Yes, I'm almost due. You've not sent me the money you promised to send me since last week.
Hey!
Okay, I'll call you back. Mama. Ogini.
What is this? Adaeze, what have you done? Did you taste this food when you finished cooking?
Of course I did. I tested it.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Ah. Go ahead and taste it.
Eh?
Yes. Go ahead and taste it or something. Taste the poison. You want to kill me? Taste the poison again. Hey! Father, I thank you. Why is it? Why is it very delicious? Eh? So this is your plan? To kill me? Eh?
How come? Mama, this is not the food I made.
No, I'm the one that made the food.
I tested the food when I was done making it before I brought your own, and it was tasting very nice.
And what happened now? Suddenly the poison in it changed the taste. How else do you explain it? Eh? You want to kill me? Inwe Obi.
I don't understand. I don't want to kill you. I don't know what happened.
You don't know what happened? Oh, really? You can open your mouth to tell me you don't know what happened. Eh? You're pushing me. In a push. Don't push me. If not, you see that poison in that pot, you finish all of them. Take this out of here. Naturally, you. Nyam. How can you be this wicked? You will love you. You go get out. Father, I thank you. We got to. This is just the beginning. Okay? What come out of my house?
You. What happened?
Ifraya, what is it?
Jump question.
Why did you pour me water?
How is that my business? Eh? Bia? Mama said I should wake you up so that you go to the market and buy foodstuffs. So take. Take it! Take this money. Bring that cup, and if you like, keep her waiting.
Ifunanya! Ifunanya! Come.
Yes, Mama.
Are you sure you told Adaeze that the money you gave her was for this morning food?
Mama, you have asked this question so many times. Of course I told her what the money is meant for. Mama, me, I'm hungry. Oh. I don't know why someone will keep me hungry like this. I'm very, very, very hungry.
Where could this stupid girl have gone to? Eh? And she did not tell you she may branch anywhere.
No, Mama. She didn't tell me anything.
Hi. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. I hope this girl is not planning anything. Kambekwa, I hope she's not planning to escape.
Mama, do you think she used that money to escape?
I don't know, my daughter. Honestly, I don't know for now.
Ha! Mama, me, I'm hungry. Oh. Eh? I don't know why she will be behaving like that. I'm very, very, very hungry.
It's okay. Adaeze. Go to Mama Grace's shop. Go and buy something for us to eat. Because the time has passed for morning food. If I tell you to cook now, I don't know how it will end. Biko, obalambani no ebom.
Okay, Mama.
And on your way, check that her friend's shop. The one that sells chemist. Whether she's there. Then you tell me. Please hurry. Nadia Baka.
Okay, Mama. I'm hungry. Somebody is hungry.
Come back. Take your phone. In case you need to call me. Okay? Adaeze. Mama.
Back here. Chimo, what am I going to tell this woman, Chimo? Hey, there's almost you. What am I going to tell this woman, Chimo? What am I going to tell this woman? What am I going to tell her? Hey, Chimo.
Adaeze, and what are you doing here? I thought I have warned you never to step your foot in this shop. What are you doing here?
And who is interested with this poverty-stinking shop? Eh? Where is the shop? Where? Ne, I am here to tell you that Mama is very, very angry with that your friend Adaeze. So if you know where she is hiding, you better tell her to come back home.
Hold it there.
What's again?
Hold it there. What do you think you're ordering? No, you think you can order me in my own shop? Are you stupid or what? You think you can order me in my own shop? And even if I know where Adaeze is, you think I will let you know?
Abi?
In your widest dream.
Nne, pass her my message.
Get out of my shop.
What's again?
Ozungulang. You will not go and get your own husband if Nanya. You will not go and marry. You are here busy frustrating another person's wife. Ozungulang. Look at her.
Ocha Bilikwa. Abino Miss Road. Otomana Banza. Where is your own husband? Where is your own husband? You see? Nobody will date you. Yes, because you stink. Easy.
You stink! Get out before I do something I will regret right now! Out of my presence!
Shut up! You can't do anything. You can't do anything! Vibrate, but you can't do anything.
Get out!
Better pass
Out!
this message. Nonsense.
Out! Adaeze!
Okay.
What are you doing? I say out!
And you will do what? Ma, come.
I don't blame you.
Go inside.
Mama, I can explain.
Come on, explain it.
Mama, Biko, I can explain.
You will explain.
Mama, please.
Go inside.
I'm sorry. I hope you feel better now.
Yes, I feel a bit better.
This side. Okay. Sorry. Oh, sorry. What's Ada?
It's okay.
This your in-laws. They are very wicked though. Eh? They are very mean. I mean, why are they treating you like this? Even when you are pregnant, heavily pregnant. Why? This is not fair. It's not fair.
Nem, I don't know. To think that the maltreatment keeps getting worse by the day. I'm tired. Mazim, I don't know what is going on. Eh?
But you know I warned you. Eh? I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. Eh? You wouldn't listen. These people, they don't care about you. Nor your baby. They don't.
And what do you expect me to do? Eh? What do you want me to do? You know I don't have any other person apart from my husband, Ekume. Eh? Even, do you know that my mother-in-law has banned me from speaking to him on phone?
She did what?
Whenever my husband calls, she won't let me talk to him on phone. Like, I've not spoken to him in a very long time.
Why? This is pure wickedness. Why will she do that? Why?
If you ask me, who will I ask?
It's okay. God in heaven sees everything. I believe he will send you a destiny helper soon. I believe that. Oh, you'll be fine.
No. You're going to send me a destiny helper, God in heaven. Is it when I die?
Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay? Have you eaten anything, or do you want me to buy something for you?
You're asking me if I've eaten anything. Where will I get the food to eat? Eh?
God. Okay, come here. Let me get you food. Come here.
What is it?
Okay, please. I don't want you to travel and leave me alone here.
But you know that I'm supposed to travel so that I can make enough money to take good care of you.
Eh? But you can make the money here now. Eh? You must not travel. Eh? Why do you want to leave me alone in this house with your mother and your sister? Eh? And you know, your mother does not really like me. Eh? I cannot stay with them alone here.
Please don't say that. My mother loves you. I know you are just missing me already. Just playing all these things so that I can stay.
Nkem, that's not true. That's not true. Do you know that anytime you're not around, your mother always looks at me in a bad way? Eh?
Why are you saying all these things? You know my mother is not like that. She loves you. My family is now your family. Just cool down and enjoy.
Nkem, please, eh? If you know you love me, eh? Don't go, just stay here and make money, please. I'm begging you.
This your juju no go work. Oh. This time you no go work. I know you are doing all these things for me not to go, but at least I need to go and make money. See, I promise you, after 1 year, I will come back and take good care of you. In fact, I will process your paper so that you will join me over there. If I think we see Sydney one on, you not to be crying.
Are you sure? Eh?
See, I will make sure I will be sending you money every month. So you won't even miss me. If I hear, we bang ole. Just calm down, okay?
Yeah.
That's my phone.
I'm sad.
Let's go inside.
Oh, it's Omaka.
You're welcome.
Hey, Mbano, why for Omaka?
Thank you.
Omaka.
You're welcome.
Hey.
Oh, Chimo.
Oh.
Welcome, sir.
Chelo. Is this not the little Funanya that used to run around here?
She's the one.
Enokwa. I believe by now you must be in the university.
Yes, sir. I'm in my final years now.
Oh, that is beautiful. Omaka. What course are you studying?
Estate management, sir.
Enokwa. That is a lucrative one. You are smart. You see, these days now, estates are coming up here and there.
Exactly.
And anyone that knows his onions and the business will make it. You're a very smart girl.
Thank you, sir.
Well, I hope you are paying attention to your studies, that you are not one of those girls that are meandering in school.
No. I want to concentrate and finish my final year exam, sir.
Oh, that is beautiful. Omaka.
Hey, Chief. You have questions. You've never changed.
How will I change? See, as far as I'm concerned, education is number one. I like intelligent and smart people.
Well, that's true. That's true. Hey, how do you? By the way, how is your son, Chukwuemeka?
Chukwuemeka is doing very well. He is working now. He got a job in an oil company. He's doing very well.
Chukwuemeka?
Yes.
I know by now he's all grown and married as well.
Emeka is grown, but not yet married. As a matter of fact, he's ready to get married. He said, yes. As a matter of fact, he's even in town.
Oh.
Yes. He came to run 1 or 2 things. Nne, I will take my leave. It's nice to see you, Teresa, after a very long while.
It's a pleasure.
It's a
pleasure.
Yeah, Ifunanya.
Sir?
Since my son is in town, I think you should come over to the house one day so that you get to see. I think he will be very happy to see you.
Okay, sir.
She will come.
Hi,
Chief. Thank you so very much.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Oh, Chief. Thank you for coming. Hey. What do you?
Why are you touching me?
Can't get one touching you.
You have been pitching me. She's giving me eye.
You don't have sense. Eh? Hear that water sign? Someone have been pitching you.
Which sign?
Shut up, my friend. You don't have sense. You did not hear when Chief said his son is in town. Come here, follow up. Eh?
Why is that my business?
Okay, shut up. Opportunity you grab in Wise up. You should be as smart as your mother.
I want to. Can I drink this?
Shut up, drink it. Take it inside. Tell me on the bed or something drink. You see that chief that came here earlier today? He's one of the top people in this town, as far as this town is concerned. In fact, anybody who becomes part of his family is made for life. My daughter, please, I want you to put your head down and utilize this golden opportunity.
How, Mama?
What do you mean how? You did not hear him invite you to his house? He even went ahead and advised that you should get acquainted with his son. Do you know what that means? You might end up marrying his son.
Mama. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. I'm not interested in marrying his son. I already have a boyfriend, Obinna, that I want to marry.
Want to marry who? Want to marry Onye? Eh? Want to marry Obinna? Hey! If not that you're my daughter, eh? I would have laid a curse on you. In Apuala. That village out. Eh? Are you not ashamed of yourself? You want to marry who? And listen to me. If I see you anywhere around that Obinna, I'll kill both of you.
Mama, it hasn't gotten to that now.
It has gotten to that too. Imaro, it has gotten to that. Because you have refused to get sense and grow up. Try, go do. One.
It's not my own to get married to Obi now. Don't mind anybody. I already have someone I love now. I cannot marry anybody.
What is it? A proco, telephone wire. Keyo.
Omekwala yozo, omi yuku, Jiobi mekwala yozo, nami bomi yuku.
Mama, this one, you're so happy this morning. What is the good news?
Hey, my good friend.
Give me the man.
Mo. I brought good news.
Tell me, I'm all ears.
You like news?
I love good news. You know that one now. Who doesn't? Oh, give me.
You remember Chief Osondo?
Who doesn't know Chief Osondo in this town? I know him.
My dear, Chief Osondo paid us a surprise visit. You know I've not set my eyes on him since I lost my husband. Nekwam Chief Osondo in my house, Igbo. I'm telling you.
What does he want?
Guess what?
Guess me.
Oh my. Tell me, oh.
Anyway. He said my daughter Ifunanya should visit him and his son, Chukwuemeka. You remember Chukwuemeka?
Yeah. Chukwuemeka, Chief Osondo's only son. I know him.
Chukwuemeka is to in for a wife. I am telling you.
That's the one, Mama.
Drop. He said if Nai should come to his house, so he will get acquainted with his son Chukwuemeka. And you know what that means?
You and Chief Osondo will now be in-laws.
Wham!
That's the one, Mama. AKA Nwanyenganga.
The pool boom. I told you people, I will be on top in this town. No competition. Nobody can match me.
You're already on top. So, what of Ifunanya? How is she preparing?
On my choice. Whatever I tell her to do, exactly what she will do.
Odogunwani. Ikagodulaka. I trust you. I trust you.
Come on, if you
I trust you.
Omekwala yozo, omi yuku, Jiobi mekwala yozo, nami bomi yuku.
Otu akodi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sorry I stopped you this way. I'm actually looking for the way to Mazi Okafor's house.
Mazi Okafo?
Yes. Do you know there?
Yes. Yeah, I do. Actually, I'm Mazi Okafor's daughter-in-law.
Oh, really? I must be the luckiest guy on earth. Please, can you take me there? Maybe I drop you off if you don't mind.
I can take you there, but I cannot just enter your car. I mean, I don't even know you.
My name is Chukwu and I'm harmless. You can trust me. Yeah. So, shall we?
It's fine. But just so you know, I can shout very well. So please, don't even try anything funny.
I'm very much sure that you can. Shall we, please?
Good day, my son.
Mama, my name is Chukwu Udensi, the son of Chief Osondu Udensi.
Yes, again. Kambekwa. Are you the son of Chief Osondu?
Yes, ma.
Hey! Chukwu
Mama.
Nah! You're welcome, bro. Go and bring a chair for him to sit down.
Don't worry. Ma, I'm not staying for long. I only came to greet you and see the beautiful Ifunanya that my father refused me to rest since he came here.
Hey, nah. Mr. Doziko. My dear. Your father has been a very good friend to this family. Eh? I know you will not remember. You loved coming to this compound to play with my son Ekume.
Oh, really? I wish I could remember those days, Mama.
That was a long time ago. You're welcome.
Thanks, Mama.
It's good to see you.
Thank you, Mama.
I heard you now work in the city.
Yes, Mama. Yeah. I should be going now. I only came to greet you and get acquainted with Ifunanya.
Getting acquainted with the small Ifunanya is not a beautiful big girl.
I see, Mama. Yeah.
Hey,
so
thank you very much.
Thanks, man. I should be going now. Huh? Sorry I did not bring anything, but...
No, it doesn't matter.
You can have this.
Thank
This
you.
is very Mama.
Oh, thank you very much. Onna.
I should be on my
God
way.
bless you. Oh. Hope to see you again. Oh.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, thank you so very much, Onna. Hey. Hey. Thank you. Shut up. You're a fool. You draw smart. I used to think you took after me. Yes. Somebody came to get acquitted the couple. He made his intention very clear. That he came to see the beautiful Ifunanya and also get acquainted with her. A couple.
Maybe next time. Mama, you are money, you like money. You are money, 5 and 6.
What will you do with this money? You don't know how to cook. When I come disgrace,
Hey, not
we make it to
now. Osukosu nwampi nyabiko suboya selense. Onye m na-ewe iwe nyabiko wegboya selense. I wonder why some people are stupidly laughing when they know they don't have any hope of making their life any better. Instead of them to carry their bag and leave. Where will they go, Juan? Where? Where they don't have mother or father. I pity this lawless life. Nonsense. Ow! Ogene, what? Ogene? I hope this is some kind of joke. Oh. You better not start this nonsense. I better go out.
So you mean the handsome stranger that dropped you off? You did not collect his number. This girl.
Mom, I don't understand you. Collect his number, how? Wait. Was I supposed to ask him for his number?
Yeah, of course.
And who told you he's handsome?
You did not deny it anyway. But from the look on your face and the way you are gisting about him and blushing, I knew it. Do you know where he lives? Maybe I'll go and try my luck. You know you're my friend now.
Hey! Goma. You know what? You can have him. I dash you.
Yes, Ada.
I don't even know why I told you in the first place.
You're supposed to tell me now. You're not my friend. You're paddy.
Go and have him, don't worry.
Don't worry. What is that? Sorry, little baby, you're just stressing your mom. Are you feeling any pain there?
Yes, so I've been having this pain since morning and I don't know, it just come and goes.
Did you say since morning, Ada? You need to go to the hospital and see a doctor.
Don't worry, I'm fine. I'm not in labor.
Which one is don't worry, I'm fine? Are you sure you are okay? Are you sure you are okay? Don't worry, let's go and see a doctor, please.
Oh? I said I'm fine.
Are
I'm feeling
you sure?
fine now. Yes, I'm fine. Don't worry.
Cute.
Don't worry. Relax. I'm not in labor. I'm fine.
Ada, this one is not about don't worry, I'm not in. I know you. Before you start crying, I know you.
Don't worry.
I feel the doctor.
I feel fine.
Are you sure you are okay? Are you sure? Are you sure you are okay? Are you sure, Ada? Okay. In case if you feel the pain, then just let me know.
Hey, negoding. If you, go. What did you just? I want to understand something. Look at how you just passed me as if I'm a nobody. Kefi name is Kekos. What is your problem?
Obinna, you have done nothing wrong. But the fact is that we cannot see each other again.
Nagini Mezi, as in what happened?
Someone has already asked for my hand in marriage and I accepted.
Oh.
Yes.
Wait.
So we cannot see each other again. Oh.
Are you trying to... I want to understand something. Are you trying to leave me and follow another man? What happens to you? As in...
Obinna, you and I know that. You are not ready to marry me. You are not ready to settle down. And me, I'm not getting any younger now. Take a look now. Check you. I'm not getting any younger.
That is your problem. Eh? You know I love you. We love each other. Now. Eh?
You love me.
See, I swear to God. I love you so
we're not talking about love. Oh. We're not talking about love here. I'm talking about future. You cannot take care of me. Can you? Check your name now. You cannot take care of me. Okay, let me ask you. Have you eaten since this morning?
Wait, are you trying to tell me you want
Have
to
you
leave me?
eaten this morning?
If Naya, I love you. Eh? Naya now. See, let me tell you one thing.
Hey.
Our love means so much to me. What will happen to our love if you leave me? Eh?
Do not ever in your life, don't you ever stop me again.
If not, hey, this guy is serious. This guy is serious.
You need to see how I told him off. He almost cried.
That's my daughter.
Of course.
Hey, you did well. In fact, you're just like me.
Yes, Mama.
Because it's of no use wasting your time with that non-entity called Obinna.
Mama, he doesn't even have plan of marrying me.
It's not a plan of marrying you.
Yes, so.
Does he have a future? He ain't one future before you plans.
You're right, Mama.
What you did was the best thing. At least let him know that you're not in the same class with him.
What is it?
Hey, John, no, it's dance enough.
Hello? Yes. Really? Now? Okay. All right, no problem.
Who was that?
Mama, Chukwemeka said he's coming to take me out.
Yes. Yes. Now listen, go and dress up.
Okay, Mama.
Because I don't want my son-in-law to see you like this. Oh? Hurry.
Yes, Mama.
My son-in-law to come and meet you like this.
Okay, Mama.
Right. Something. Hey. Hey.
That good-for-nothing guy called Obinna stopped me today on my way to Akudo's house.
Wait though. Which Obinna are you talking about?
Pretty sure that Obinna. Is it not If Naya's boyfriend? That guy is shameless.
If Naya's what?
If Naya's boyfriend, of course.
Hey! Wait. If Naya's what?
Boyfriend. Imagine.
Well, I heard that if Naya dumped him for another man that came back from the city. And I also heard that the man is rich. Hi! If I'm okay, oh, Chinekena. The man is sweet. The man is handsome. And you know me now. My kind of man. Hey.
My dear, what do you expect? You know Obinna is local. Hey, now. And if I'm in her shoes, I will do the same. Oh. I will do. You know, like better thing.
Before I forget, tell me what he told you when he stopped chatting now. You know, tell me.
Just me
now.
See this one. I knew you're going to ask this question. Well,
must we do shaka before you say
wait. What else? If not that he wants me to be his girlfriend. Imagine me. Just take a look at me. I can't bring myself down to associate with a person like him. I get class, Biko. I cannot associate with a person like that guy, please.
That he asked you to be
with a person like him, I beg.
Do you know that guy is very useless?
He's shameless. I'm telling you.
My son, how are you too?
I'm very fine.
You're welcome.
You're beautiful, Ekume.
Thank you. Welcome.
You're welcome. So, shall we?
Sure.
Please,
all right.
I want to beg you for something. Please, Take very good care of my daughter. Oh?
I will, Mama. No problem, Mama.
You're a nice person. And don't be in a hurry to come back. Oh? Just take your time. I understand. What is the matter?
Madam, are you alright?
Chukwuemeka, she's fine. Please let us go.
She's clearly not looking okay. Right?
Talk now, what is it?
I think she needs to be taken to the hospital, please, as soon as possible. Please, what hospital does she use?
I don't really know.
She did not tell us the hospital she's using.
Alright, I know a hospital. Let's go, please. Easy, yeah? Easy, easy.
Wayo, easy.
Are you not coming? Let's go.
You mean all of us should go? Are you okay now? Are you still?
Mama, are you going to allow them go like that?
What do you want me to do?
Oh! What do you want me to do now? How will you just allow her go like that?
Okay, this. You're already exhibiting your bad character. It's obviously bad luck. Look at the timing. Very wrong timing. How will you make one know? Eh?
I can't believe I'm associated with a family that is so heartless.
What happened? Did the mother and the child die?
The mother and the child, they are all doing fine, thank God.
Thank God.
When we got to the hospital, the doctor recommended an immediate CS. But when the papers for the CS came out, the mother-in-law refused to sign it.
Did she give a concrete reason why she didn't sign it?
Does that really matter? When the life of the daughter-in-law and the child is at stake.
Didn't they call the husband to get his consent?
Well, they said something about him not taking his calls.
That's something.
They don't like Adaeze.
Adaeze?
Yes.
Is that the lady's name?
Yes. You know, I'm wondering because the day she took me to the house, she was acting so scared and the mother-in-law acted as if she doesn't even exist. I don't want to associate myself with a family that sees others as non-equal.
You're right. I get you, man. I get you. But just take it easy. Take it easy, man.
Yeah, I'm fine. And thanks for taking care of things at the company, yeah?
No problem. That's not a problem. We're together.
Yeah, how are you?
Good day, sir.
Good day, yeah?
Sir, you're welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
And I want to thank you so much for everything you did for me and my son.
No, that's okay. I'm happy that you're fine, yeah? I came to see your baby if you don't mind.
Oh, he's inside. He's sleeping.
All right.
Sure, let's go.
After you.
So it has gotten to this. Chukwuemeka now comes to my house to visit Adaeze and that her son without calling me. I am sure he likes Adaeze. And he's just using that baby to take an excuse. I must tell Mama about this. I must tell Mama about this because I cannot allow anybody steal my money away from me. Never!
Mama Ekene, where is Mama Ekene? Mama Ekene, it's me, oh Mama Ekene. Hey, Mama Ekene, oh. Hey, Mama Ekene, what am I doing? Hey, Mama Ekene, there is fire on the mountain. Talk to me now. It's not Ekene ceremony. Okay, what happened? Mama Ekene. Let's come over. Sit down. Calm down.
Hey,
what is it?
Mama Ekene. Eh? On my way to the market, I saw Abuchi. You know Abuchi now?
The one in Abuja?
Yes. You know Uchenna, my son, is also in Abuja.
I'm aware.
I now asked Abuchi if he has seen Uchenna or spoken to him of recent. Mama Ekene, Abuchi now asked me if I am not aware that my son Uchenna has been in jail for the past 2 months. 2 months, Mama Ekene.
Cherupa, in jail, in prison.
Prison.
For the past 2 months.
2 months.
And nobody told you.
If you're gonna Mama Ekene.
That's what they call this Zenka. So what did he say that happened?
I now called the wife. I told him, how come my son has been in prison for the past 2 months and she did not even deem it fit to tell me? What she was saying, I don't understand. That Uchenna embezzled company fund. But that he's innocent though. I don't know if to believe he's innocent or he has embezzled company money.
Wait, let me understand you. He embezzled company's money. But he's innocent. What kind of complicated story is that?
I don't know. I don't know, Mama Ekene. See me.
Amuchenna, are you thinking what I'm thinking? You see that woman? There is this bad thing about her. There is this thing about her I don't like. I don't know if you have noticed it. Only her brains woman. I don't know whether you've observed it.
See me.
Because Uchenna that I know is a good boy. What a clan
Nenum. I need your help. I want you to help me do something.
What exactly do you want me to do for you?
The wife said that they will bail Uchenna if we can be able to bring 3 million naira. 3 million naira.
3 guinea?
3 million.
3 million naira. So, where am I expected to get that kind of money from?
You were the one that told me that Ekene is doing very well abroad. That he's even planning on building a house. Please, ask him to lend us the money. When Uchenna comes out, he will pay him back. Because
Ndowa. Human beings. Mama Uchenna, did I just hear you say this nonsense? Eh? I told you something as a friend. Eh? Now you want to take advantage of it.
How can you say that? I don't want to take.
You've said it already. I told you in Goble testimony about my son. Ibia Modiaka. Eh? 3 million naira or 3,000 naira. Eh?
Mama,
even if he has the money, how will Uchenna pay him back?
He will pay. I am desperate.
The money is not available. In shock akita. Manakani diviye. What will make you say that? Eh?
I am desperate.
I'm desperate too. More than you, self.
Hey.
Can't I share this money anymore? Eh? I was overly excited and I shared this testimony. Don't be like that, Pico. Hey, if you were not my friend, you wouldn't have loved me this morning. Yes, we were 3 million naira from you this early morning. It's not even about you. Where will he get the money? The money is not available now. Somebody get this money. You may take one card, Pico.
Ada, my friend, how are you doing today?
As you can see, I am fine.
Thanks to God.
But what baffles me is how Ekume is yet to call to ask how me and the baby is doing. I mean, it's surprising. He has not even bothered to call and know if me and the baby is doing fine.
Well, I am not surprised. An apple doesn't fall far from its tree. Where are those witches? Where are they?
They are inside.
And I'm sure they have not been helping you out with chores. Anyways, have you eaten this morning?
Nah, it's all thanks to Chukwuemeka. Yes, so Chukwuemeka was the one that bought provisions for me and my baby.
Are you serious? Wow.
That guy is a godsend to me. I'm telling you.
Are you serious, my friend? That guy cares about you.
He's a good man with a kind heart.
Ada, baby.
Ogene.
Thank you, Ogene. Don't even pretend. Don't tell me you don't know what I'm saying. That guy cares about you. He likes you. I mean, who would do all these things for a stranger? Think about it. Are you blind?
Goma, Biko, it's enough. That's enough, please. I cannot see anything. I am not seeing anything, and I don't want to see anything.
Tell me you're not seeing it. Okay.
Let's talk about something else.
Since you don't want to discuss about this thing, who am I to talk? My mouth, Ngwa, shut up. Okay, what do you want me to do for you? What are you going to eat this night? Do you want me to wash the baby's clothes or to cook? Which one? Now I'm here.
See, there is a lot that you help me out in doing. So please come, let's go. Come and help me wash the baby's clothes.
What can you do without me?
Chief, you know the last time you instructed my daughter Ifunanya and Chukwuemeka to get acquainted. I have not really heard much from them. And Ifunanya has been having suitors coming to pressurize her, and you know what I mean. She's a young girl, and want to do for more pressure on them. Suitors are coming here and there and all that. And I say, hey, Imba, Chief has made his intentions known. But I don't really... one or two is not really clear to me.
But my son has been coming to your house. He told me when he first went. So, has anything changed?
Yes. As we speak now, he stopped picking Ifunanya's calls. Yes, I don't know what happened, but there is this sudden change I noticed. And that's why I said, Mban, somebody like you that is highly respected, I should come to you, because this whole thing, you started it, and it's actually an honor to us. That's why I came to you, sir.
My son has not told me of any change in anything, because did anything happen at all?
Nothing happened though. I don't know, Chukwuemeka suddenly changed and he no longer comes to the house, and I don't know, something is not right. And I don't want us to make any mistake, because every day, Ifunanya, everybody wants to marry. I say, Mba, not when Chief Osondo has shown interest. It's not possible. Because me, I know you once, your yes is your yes. Yes, so I can't afford to make any mistake or disobey your orders.
Well, I appreciate you bringing this to me, because as far as I'm concerned, all is well. Because Chukwuemeka has not told me otherwise. He has not told me that there's anything wrong. But if he were to be around now, I would have asked him to come and explain himself. But he will soon come in. He stepped out. Once he comes back, we'll talk man to man. Let me understand if there's anything going on.
Yes, thank you so very much. Because I know something is seriously distracting him. But I trust you as a father and your caliber of a person. Thank you so very much. I'll be expecting a feedback from you.
Thank you for the notice. I'll talk to him and I'll get back to you.
Dalorine.
Okay.
I'll be on my way.
Okay. No. Sit. How did your day go?
Very well, Dad.
Mrs. Teresa Okafor was here.
What does she want?
She's concerned that you no longer answer Ifunanya's calls and you don't bother to return them. And you no longer visit. She's concerned that you may have lost interest in dating the daughter.
I never promised the daughter anything. I was only getting to know her from the few times we spoke.
And?
Ifunanya is a beautiful girl, but I don't think she's the kind of woman I want.
Well, I remember that the first time you went to see them, you came back and you told me that you liked her, you were excited, and you said that she is the kind of girl you had in mind. So, what changed?
Yes, Dad, I said so, but now I'm not so sure.
You are not so sure that you like her or that you don't like her?
I think I'm old enough to know what I want in a woman, and Ifunanya is not the one.
Well, Chukwuemeka, you are my son, and you're a grown man. A man knows what he wants in a woman he wants to marry. And I cannot tell you what to do. Nwoke na-aka aghọta onwe ya. A man understands himself better. But what I will advise is this. I want you to reflect on it and think deeply before you take any decision you want to take. But whatever decision you take, you know you will always have my support.
Thanks, Dad. I will think about that.
One.
Ifnaya, can you please help me look after my baby? He's sleeping while I quickly take my bath, please.
You better be fast, though. I am not your baby nanny.
Don't worry, I'll be very fast. Thank you so much.
Well, it's going to be fine again. Please stop crying. I understand how you feel. And me too, I'm hot, but it's okay. Stop crying. Oh, my friend, please. Please.
I just want to die. I want to die with my son.
You're not dying. You're not going anywhere. You're not going to die.
I want to die with
You
my
will not die.
son.
Stop saying this. You're not going to die. Fear, but God forbid it. Stop saying that nonsense. Stop crying.
Where do I go from here?
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Sorry, you'll be fine. God knows the best. Oh, baby's now.
Hi, Chinwe. Whoa.
Olinozu! Eh? What have you done? What have you done? Eh? You killed my grandson. You witch! No! What have you done? 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 What have you done?
I know I'm not your favorite person right now, but can we go somewhere and talk?
I don't know. It depends on what you want to talk about. Because you have been ignoring me all this while.
That's why I want us to talk.
Okay, if you say so.
Thank you.
You have to wait here. Let me go on change.
Okay. Can I come and say hi to Adaeze and her baby?
Nwachukwu, what is it with you and Adaeze and this her baby? Is she your relative?
Hold on. Is there anything that I need to know that you're not telling me? Why are you acting so worked up?
Well, she no longer lives here.
Oh, really? Since when?
Nwachukwu, I see you have no intention of settling our problem. Yes. So if you don't mind, please take this to Ogura big for nothing car and leave this compound. Now, leave.
I should leave.
Yes. Nonsense. Look at this one, eh? He thinks he can deceive me. You think I am like this stupid because you can easily deceive, eh? What is this thing with Adaeze now? What is all this now? Every time, where's Adaeze? Where's her baby? What is Mother Mary and Jesus? Oh,
You mean Chukwuemeka came here today?
Yes, Mama, he did.
So, what was he looking for?
Mama, he asked me if we could go somewhere and talk.
So, what did you tell him?
Mama, I agreed though. But he started asking after Adaeze, that witch, and her baby. Imagine. And I angrily told him off, and he left.
It's again. You told Onye off?
Him.
How does that affect the issue at hand?
Ma?
Ifunanya, do you know what it took me to speak to his father so he can convince him? Eh?
Mama, he doesn't care about me. Sometimes I wonder if he prefers that Adaeze to me.
He doesn't care about you?
Yes.
Say school. If I say school. Now tell me the yardstick you used to measure whether a man cares about you or not. Yeah. Eh? A man that left his house came here looking for you. Came as him he doesn't care about you. Eh? Now listen, you better go and beg him. If you miss this opportunity, I will so deal with you.
But Mama...
Mama, give me. Don't mama me. I'm a mapanam.
Oh.
Do exactly as I said.
Begu. I don't even know what he sees in that girl. Every time, where's Adaeze? Where's Adaeze?
Hey!
Sir, please,
Shut up.
Sir, please, I don't have any money, please. I don't have any money,
shut up.
please.
Kneel down. I don't need your money, and I have not come to kill you. You know who Chukwuemeka is, right?
Yes, I do. I know him.
If I see you close to him again, if I see you around him, I will kill you.
Okay, sir. I will not. Sir,
In fact, you have to leave this village. You have to leave this village from now. If I see you around him next time, I'll kill you.
Okay, sir.
Now get out.
My love, my one and only. Hi.
What are you doing here?
I was told you will be here, so I decided to come and see you.
What for? Please, whatever be the reason why you're here, I'm not interested.
My love, please. I'm here to apologize about the way I behaved the other day. I'm sorry.
Apology accepted. You can now leave. Please.
Leave? My love, do I look like I am ready to leave anytime soon? I'm not looking at you.
Please stop this. Stop this!
My love, stop all this thing. I know you like me, and I like you too. Just that I don't know the reason. I don't know why you allow Adaeze to come in between us.
I am no longer interested in you.
My love. Fine one.
Can you just stop?
I know you don't mean it.
Can you stop?
Feel me now.
Can you stop, please?
Stop now.
Hello, excuse me. Hello? What do you mean they're back? What do you mean they're back out? I thought you were giving them all the...
Can I wait for you? Me, I'm waiting for you. I'm not going anywhere. Nick. You are even drinking. I hope you have paid for this, so, because I did not come with any money. We die here, me and you. We die here. Me, I'm waiting for you. We die here. Ifunanya.
Ifunanya. Ifunanya! You're even here and I was busy looking for you everywhere. Eh? Go and fetch firewood, let's cook and eat. Is it huh?
Ma?
Go and fetch firewood, let's cook and eat. Because...
Oh, Mama, no. Mama, I haven't slept well for a while now, eh? I haven't slept well ever since Adaeze left this house. Mama, I'm not your maid, though. I'm not your maid.
You're very stupid for saying that.
I'm tired, though.
Yes, sir. Who happens to am I supposed to fetch firewood for you? Get the corner, Koeli. Eh? You even complaining about firewood. Eh? You have clothes to wash. And the living room is so untidy. You have to clean up everywhere. Ngwa, go!
Mama, you want to kill me? Eh? Your only daughter, you want to kill me? Mama, I'm tired though. And I'm very,
Shut
very,
up!
very
Shut
hungry.
up! Go and fetch firewood. Lazy girl. Go back and go and fetch. I'll slap you.
Mama the mama.
No more!
Mama.
No more!
Mama. Hey, ah, you're looking so beautiful.
Thank you, and you're not looking bad.
Mama.
I have somebody inside our car. She's my girl, my sugar. Her name is Cynthia, baby. I'm gonna go down. Let me.
My baby girl.
Thank you.
Mama.
Nam.
This is Cynthia, baby. The lady I'm going to marry.
Really?
Greetings to you, ma'am.
Greetings. Ozubo.
Mama, ever since I met this lady, my life changed. I'm telling you.
She's beautiful.
You can say it again.
Thank you, my love. Thank you. Yes,
you are welcome. Oh?
Thank you, Mama.
No.
Thank you.
Because don't be angry. What do you do for a living?
Mama, I work in the bank.
Mama, she's heading one of the biggest banks abroad. This lady you are looking at, Una Haboko Bele Madu.
It's again. My would-be daughter-in-law working in the bank.
Yes.
Yes, my love.
It's a tradition.
Because it's a war.
It's a tradition.
Hey, who better? Hey, now, take her inside, oh. Let me go and prepare something. I welcome you. Oh.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
You can get that.
Get back! Say your name. Don't show yourself. It's again. Shh, listen. Package yourself. Put yourself in order. Open and
Wish Adaeze is here now. She will just carry this thing. Baby, talk to me now. Obin, please talk to me.
If now, leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is it? KO. I'm very busy, as you can see. What's up, Mark?
Obin, I want to ask you for something.
What is it?
Can we resume our relationship?
Eh?
Can we go back the way we used to be?
No, say it again. I want to hear it well.
I said, can we resume our relationship?
Hey! Wonder shall never end. You and I. To resume our relationship. Eh? After you must have packaged yourself and give to another man to enjoy. Eh? We now came back. So we can resume from where we stopped.
I swear on my mother's. In fact, I swear to God, that man has not touched me.
In pity.
I swear.
Huh? And you expect me to believe you?
Hey.
You want me to believe you? Oh, no. You want me to believe you?
Obin, I'm very serious. I said I'm sorry now. My love, please now.
I don't think that is possible because I know the way you package yourself and gave to that particular young man because he has a car on a spider just because of you too. You went to another man. Now you came back for me to start eating leftovers.
Baby.
To be serious, if fact, just start going. I don't have your time.
You told him I'm okay.
Because
Shawarma, my
please,
love.
That shawarma for 18 should go one side.
My love, please.
To be sincere to you, I cannot forgive you.
Please, I'm begging you. Let's go back the way we used to be. See, it was my mother that was pushing you. She pushed me into dating that guy.
Your mother?
Your
mother pushed you? If now I can just only forgive you on one condition.
Okay.
Just one condition.
Okay.
Only one. I did not say two.
Hey, anything and I will do it for you. Just mention it.
If now, I want you to get pregnant for me. Yes.
You say?
Just get pregnant for me. Yes.
Ekume!
Adaeze. What is it now? You want to break down the house? What do you want?
Are you asking me that question?
Let me repeat myself in case you are deaf. I said, what do you want?
I thought my mother has warned you not to step your foot in this house again. Give in a job.
Ekume, I don't understand how you're asking your wife. What? I thought you were supposed to be happy to see me. I mean, we've not seen ourselves in a long time. You're asking me what I want in my husband's house.
Look, let me tell you. Let this thing get into an upscore. We are no longer in the same level. This has changed. Just get that straight. And we don't want to name but here so that you don't wake my woman. I'm telling you.
Ekume, don't tell me you have a woman in there.
Baby! Who is that?
My sugar. It's someone that just missed her way. Don't worry, I'll be with you in a jiffy, okay?
Okay, baby, be fast about it. I'm waiting.
Thank you.
Yeah, baby.
See that pocket.
Ekume, wait.
Yes, Eba, I'm not seeing you. If you make a patani maybe again, what is your problem?
Ekume!
Baby girl.
Ekume, you cannot do this to me, Ekume! Ekume!
Yeah. Who is this? Adaeze.
Mama, can you imagine?
Shut up! Mama, haven't I warned you not to ever enter my house again? Eh?
Ekume does not want to see me.
And how is that my business? Eh? Ngwa, say my sokupo, Ozubo.
Mama, me, I'm not going anywhere. Ekume can just come and tell me why he's treating me this way.
Oh, Maka, you're not going anywhere, okay?
What did I do to deserve this kind of
No, it's
treatment?
okay. You're not going anywhere, okay? Oh, Maka.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
running? Why are you running? Let me see you here again. Well, I told them why we're going. No, Pama. Joy killer.
Ada, but I warned you. Eh? But you wouldn't listen to me. You wouldn't. Nan, look at the way he treated you. Eh?
Obioma, my friend. I am so pained. I mean, I never believed that Ekume is going to treat me this way. What did I do wrong to him? Eh? What did I do to deserve this kind of treatment from Ekume?
Ada, you did nothing wrong. Eh? Ekume was just a useless person. And his family. Eh? You did nothing wrong to him. Eh? It's unfortunate that you got married to him. Please, they don't deserve this, your tears. Biko.
You know, I thought Ekume would be asking me for forgiveness, you know, for not speaking to me all these months. Now just look at what. Tell me, do I deserve this kind of treatment? Eh?
It's okay, please. You don't need to think about Ekume or even to worry about his useless family. What you need to do now is to focus on yourself. For once, you have a chance to rebuild your life again. Not to think of that riffraff.
How am I supposed to start afresh? How am I supposed to focus? You and I know that Ekume has always been my rock. So tell me, how am I going to start afresh? Eh? How am I going to start afresh?
Ada, it's okay. They don't deserve your tears. It's okay. And you know what? We are going to think of something to do. We are going to sit down together and we'll sort it out. Oh, they don't deserve this, your tears.
Sort what out? Eh? What are we going to sort out? Is it the fact that Ekume is treating me like a stranger? Eh? Everyone in this world has just left me. I just want to die. I'm tired of this life.
No, you can't say that. I'm here for you.
I want to die.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hi. My sister. He dumped her. That is not even my anger. He came back with another woman in that same house. Adaeze, his wife, lives. Imagine. Men.
What do men really want? Just few years ago, they were like bread and butter. The envy of all the village couples because of the way they love each other. And now what is happening?
My dear.
Oh, wow.
You see men. Men. They can change in a twinkle of an eye. I just pity this young lady. First, she lost her baby, now her husband. Life has not been fair to her. At all.
Men are just wicked. Very wicked.
My sister, going to that side though, not all men. My husband to be will never be like Ekume. Never.
Amen. Oh. And who pray to be with that kind of person? Not me, and not even in my next life. My dear, I don't even have time for all this stupid. My sister, take care.
Good morning. Good morning, my daughter. How was your night? Where are you going this morning?
Mama, I would like to take her out so that she can get something for herself.
Oh, really? Well, why don't wait so you eat before you leave?
No, Mama. No.
Mama, you know that Cynthia is not familiar with this kind of village cooking, so I don't think she'll like it.
But we all eat the same food now. Okay, it's okay. I'll cook something different for you.
No. You know, since we are going out, we'll look for a nice restaurant where we can eat something clean and good.
Okay, what are you trying to say? That my food is dirty.
Mama, come off it. Come in.
Okay. Please, I have a suggestion. Since you'll be staying for a while, why not give me some money? Let me go and buy enough foodstuffs. Whatever she wants, I'll prepare for her.
Mama, alright.
Baby,
What is it?
you know we have a lot to buy now, eh? Mama can't wait till after my shopping.
Mama, she's right. When I come back, let me see what I can do. Huh?
Yes, when he comes back.
Thank you, baby.
Cynthia,
Oh, baby.
Mama, mbata o kam no
What just happened?
I like their food and
I
I
know
would
you
like
are
us
going-
to come back here tomorrow.
What is wrong with this girl now? Why is this girl following me?
Ekene, please. Please find a way in your heart to forgive me. Whatever I have done to you, please. Let's settle, please. Just please find a way to forgive me.
Adaeze, can't you just get it? It's over between the both of us. We are no longer in the same class. Go your way.
Ekene, can you at least tell me what I did to you to deserve this kind of treatment? Eh?
You don't know.
I don't know.
Adaeze, you are a witch. You killed our son just the way you killed your parents. What kind of a person are you?
Ekene, how can you say such a thing to me, Ekene? Ekene, our son died by accident.
An accident caused by you because of your stupidity.
Ekene, see, Ekene, everything your mother told you was a lie. Mama has been the one maltreating me.
And you decided to kill our child just to get your revenge, right?
That's not true, Ekene. Ekene, that's not true.
Oh, such a pity. Poor girl. Wait a minute. So you're the one that killed your child. I've heard so much about you.
My dear,
Baby.
let's just go, please.
But baby, I was wondering, how did you get to marry such stinky and smelling person like her?
And there is a long story. Look, Adaeze, if you dare get close to me again, I will lock you up. I will make sure you rot in jail. Nonsense. Big up,
Ekene, I
Anusa.
don't deserve. Ekene, please.
What is wrong with
Hey,
you?
stop
Are you
it!
okay?
You don't have to touch him. Are you okay?
Ekene, we can sort this out. Trust me, Ekene.
I don't blame you.
Innocent. Ekene, please. Ekene. Ekene. Ekene, this is
my son says that your parents were Mr. and Mrs. David Okeke from Adaeze.
Yes, sir.
Mr. and Mrs. David Okeke, who died in an accident on their way to Lagos some years ago.
You're very correct, sir.
I used to be a business associate of your parents.
You knew my parents?
Well, Dad was the one who invited him to London for a business summit when he was working, but he's retired now.
Yes, I sent them the invite for the London Business Summit. I heard about their unfortunate demise, but I was told that their only daughter was in the same vehicle with them and that your body was never found. That was why I didn't bother searching for you. And I blamed myself for their deaths because I felt if I had not invited them, they wouldn't have been on their way to Lagos.
I fell ill on that very day. And they left me with a distant relative. Though they wanted to cancel their travel, but I insisted that they go without me. I had just turned 18. And I did not even get to find out about their deaths until after a month of not hearing from them. And ever since then, I always blamed myself for their deaths.
No, you do not have to blame yourself. There is no way you would have known.
After then, I met Ekume, and he practically changed my life. But now...
Well, I believe Providence has brought you to us. From today, you are officially my responsibility.
And mine too.
You don't have to say anything. It's the much I can do for your parents.
So much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, is that you? You are calling me with your number. Are you back? How did it happen? How did you raise the money for your bail? So they later found out who stole the money. I said it. I never gave birth to a thief. I'm a Nawama Bronyori. Good. That serves them right. What would I have done? My son, how is my wife? Please greet her for me. Ah! Are you serious? Chineke Igwe! Hey! Eh? What am I doing? I'll come to Abuja and take care of her. Please tell her, just let her stop doing anything. Let her just eat, sleep, wake up, eat again and sleep. Biko. Chineke Igwe. Hey! Okay, my son. Okay. I'm waiting. Oh, greet my wife for me. Eh? Okay.
your son to list my friend Adaeze wherever you hid her. Otherwise, you know I'm Batalumu Chanine.
Can you get an abozo janka?
Me, dog.
Eh?
Okay.
So where you came from? You were not taught how to respect elders. You just bought a compound and you're making noise. Who did that to me? Eh?
Are you done? I am not here to banter ways with you. I don't know if I want to give it. By the end of today, if you people do not provide my friend Adaeze, hey, I will report the both of you for kidnapping her.
Shut up! Okay. Who kidnapped who? Of what use is she to the kidnappers? Get the KGM, Now listen for your information. My son Ekene is now married to a very beautiful woman. So he has nothing to do with that witch of your friend.
Mama, it is you who is a witch. Oh, you will see.
Mama, what is wrong with that one? Is she going mad?
I don't know. That idiot came here, accusing herself, not us, of kidnapping Adaeze. Adaeze.
Mama, is Adaeze missing?
Where have you been since morning?
Mama, I went to visit a friend.
You're welcome. Go and undress. Enter the kitchen, cook for your brother and his woman.
Okay. Brother is not yet back.
No, he's back. See his car. Go inside. Go inside. Hey, that game with my God, so. Ma bonyeli anya. I'm waiting for you.
I hope all is well.
All is well. I want us to talk.
Okay. Cynthia, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Just wait for me inside. I'm coming.
Alright, baby. But not be so long,
You said you want us to talk. What do you want to talk about?
Ekene Chukwu.
Mama.
Ekene Chukwu.
Mama.
What are your plans?
Mama, leave that planning of a thing. I don't have any plan for now. Just want to put my life in order.
How can you not have a plan? Eh? You came back here. Spending and squandering money. You've not even given me a dime since you came back. Yet you're telling me you don't have plans. I don't understand.
Mama, you like complaining. You keep on complaining about one thing or another. I don't like all these things because...
Okay, Nemo, when I complain, is it? Eh? Did you just say that? That I like complaining? Oh, really? So I like complaining? Simply because I asked you, what are your plans?
See, Mama, you know that Cynthia is going to be my wife very soon. You understand? And you of all people need to understand that. I'm buying all those things to make her happy. You say water now.
I'm disappointed in you. You see this woman you brought here? I'm sure she's the one confusing your brain. But this is not my son.
Mama, don't go there. There has never been anybody that is good for you. You keep on complaining. Onyenka, you see she's not good. What happened Onyenka now? She's not good.
Am I the one that decided or caused problem between you and Adaeze?
Mama, don't go there. We all understand how you manipulated me into hating Adaeze. We know. It's your handwork now.
Hi. Ekume. Really?
Mama, this one that you're looking at, she has come to stay. This is my father's house. And there is nothing anybody can do about it. I'm going to marry her, and there is nothing anybody can do about it. Not even you.
Come back here. I'm not done talking. Ogini nemezi. Mamu Chenna. Hello Nemekwa. Do you know that since my son Ekene came back from abroad with that lady, they've been spending and spending from one shopping to another shopping. Ekene has never given me a dime. If you ask him for money now, immediately what you hear is, baby, please, you know we need to buy this and we need to buy this. And we have not finished our shopping. This is serious. And to my greatest surprise, Ekene will listen and obey.
This is very serious.
Let me shock you. He's no longer thinking of building the house. This is not a laughing matter. This is serious. No, stop laughing.
I'm sorry. I am very, very sorry. But is it not this same Ekene that I came to you and asked you to beg him to lend me some money so that I'll release my son from prison? And you said he's planning to do the house. Is he the one you're complaining about? Or is there another Ekene? I don't understand though. I'm confused here.
The money you asked for was too much now. 3 million naira. Check your niano. Where's the kwabole?
Hey! Anyway, that's life. Since you did not ask, I'll tell you. My very good friend, but you did not ask me. Let me just tell you. My son is out of prison.
Is it?
Yes, Uchenna is out of prison.
Yay!
The wife, is the wife. She took it upon herself to find out that my son, Uchenna, was wrongfully accused.
Hey.
Oh, you see that woman? She is the best thing that has ever happened to me. And very soon, I'm just waiting for my flight ticket because I'll be traveling to Abuja next week to go and take care of my daughter-in-law.
Is she sick?
She's not sick. She is pregnant.
I don't understand. I thought you said her womb is damaged.
I was wrong. You see that lady? She is the best thing that has happened to me and my family.
Did I hear you say this?
Yes.
When you advised me to treat Adaeze, my daughter-in-law, badly.
Mama Ekene, why are you talking like this? I only gave you advice. You were the one that did it yourself. I did not give it to you under duress. You did it yourself. I've always known you to be very selfish and wicked. It's even better that girl left your house. Yes, I am happy she left.
Okay, people. Mamuchen, tell me you did not say all these things. So you'll be my problem all this while.
So Mama Uchenna deceived me. Why she advised me to deal with my daughter-in-law. She was busy treating her own well. At the end, Ambrosio Onyojo. Chai! This is not good. Now she will be going for long holidays in Abuja to take care of her daughter-in-law, who is now pregnant. And I was thinking that I was better than her because my son was abroad. Now I can't even boast of a son. Talk more of a daughter-in-law. Son-in-law one, nothing.
Afami, Ifraya. Afami, who got you pregnant?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know? You don't know?
Okay, I was
You
sick.
don't know?
I was sick.
You don't know?
I was sick. Obinna.
Obinna. Obinna got you pregnant. That house got you pregnant. That house.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, Mama.
Got you pregnant. You better assume of yourself. I'm coming for you.
Mama, please.
I'm coming for you.
Mama, I'm sorry. Mama, please. Obinna laughter. One more Obinna laughter.
Let's get. You don't have control. Don't worry.
Mama, please no. Mama, please now forgive me. I'm sorry. Jesus.
These beautiful things. Believe me, I love this village. Sincerely speaking, I like this place.
I told you so. I said we are going to love our village.
My sugar.
Baby girl.
Look at this upstairs. It's nice.
What is it now?
Don't tell me that you are looking at that girl. Eh?
Which girl? I was only looking at the window.
Which window? Were you not staring at that girl?
I wasn't.
You wasn't. So, okay, you are equally telling me that I'm lying, right?
What is it? Calm down.
Ekume, you are a liar. I say you are a liar. This rubbish, all this rubbish you people are doing.
See, I was only looking at the window. What is the girl? You are even more beautiful than the girl. So why
now tell me, what was the last thing that I said?
Cynthia, I'm not in for this your trouble this morning. It's okay. You are just spoiling our mood.
Ekume, Ekume, ma basa yine mi di okay mean. Open of food your own mean afubu ndaman di same mi no mean. Nsi don franfo. Ekume, don't dare me. Listen, let me tell you, I am not Adaeze that you should just use and throw away. I'm not Adaeze.
Please, I've told you, My cucumber is meant for you and you alone. Baby girl, cool down, chill. What is all this?
Anyway.
Cool down, Daddy. What is your problem?
No problem. You guys are all the same. The same thing.
It's okay
chasing
now.
After little girls. I'm here with you and you have the guts to look at another woman outside. Nonsense.
Mama, I am going to live with Obinna. He loves me and he will take care of me and my baby.
Better for you. And make sure you don't come back here. Because I don't want to see you.
Me too, I don't want to stay with you again. You complain too much. Eh? Mama, I am not like you.
You can never be like me. Fear! God forbid. You can never be like me. I don't Pama. Very lazy old fool. I brought a very rich man for you to marry. Instead of you to make him to marry you. Eh? You know around that out Obinna. Now see what you have got into.
Mama, my father that got married to you, was he a rich man? Eh? Would I have been in this mess if you had married a rich man?
Eh? I'm not gonna make competition. No, come back here now. I'm no man. Let me see how you survive. Yeah, Takoti concrete.
Obinna, you must marry me. Okay. You must marry me, Obinna. I say you must marry me. You think you will get me pregnant and marry another?
I have sworn I will not touch a woman. You are daring me.
I'm daring you. What is going on here, my love?
Okay, now.
Who is this one and what is she doing in our house? See, who are you? I am his girlfriend. And he got me pregnant. And he must marry me. You are what? Pregnant. And I'm pregnant too.
Odogu.
Tell me what you must marry me.
I will beat you. I will beat you up.
Hey, Jesus.
Leave me alone.
My mother will kill me. Obinna, my mother said this.
No. Let me just explain this to you girls. Yeah? See, look at you. You're not dragging me. No, you have forgotten where you were moving around with OK Japan. Now OK Japan has gone back to Japan. Yeah? You now came back for Obinna to eat leftover.
What was leftover? You are the one that got me pregnant. Come, let's go inside.
As for you, you are Monkey Spider. You were a joke with Monkey Spider. No, go back to Monkey Spider now.
Obinna, my mother said this.
Obinna,
this is where we did it. Let's go inside.
This is the best.
Obinna, let's go inside.
I will beat you.
Let's go inside.
You are dead. No, I swear to God, I will finish you.
Hey!
Just live here. And you go back to your father's house.
Yeah.
Just go back.
My mother will kill me.
Go back to your father's house.
I cannot get anywhere.
doing this to yourself?
Mama, if I undo, look at me. Please leave me. Biko, I'm hungry.
It's just a passing phase. Eh? He will not die in one. Very soon, all these things will be over. Oh?
Mama, see, as you are looking at me now, I have nothing. Cynthia took everything and ran away, including the car. I'm just as useless as toilet paper.
Come to think of it, is it not better you report her to her office abroad? It will be easier for them to track her.
Mama, there is something I would like to talk to you.
What is it?
Mama, I did not travel abroad. My papers and my visa, they were not complete, so I didn't go anywhere. I went and hid at Calabar. That was where I've been staying since all this while. It was even that I met Cynthia, and she has been the one housing me, feeding me. In fact, that car you are looking at is her car. I don't have anything. Even self on the process, I got her pregnant. I asked her to remove the pregnancy because I'm married. So in the process of that thing now, she lost her womb. So for me to compensate her, I decided to marry her. And that's why I brought her here, Mama.
Hi! I cannot go one. It's again.
Mama, so you're looking at me, I'm just as useless as toilet tissue. I have nothing. Nothing.
Hello, man. How you couldn't tell me your mother all this while?
And she threatened me now. She said that if I say it, she will take everything from me.
Hey! Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
My enemies have succeeded. Hello, ma'am. Hey! Ha!
Exams are coming up very soon.
Yeah, I know. And I know you will smash the exams.
Well, I hope so. Because these few months has not been easy for me.
Oh, you're the strongest person I know and you're looking beautiful.
Thank you so much. Why have you not ordered anything?
Well, I almost did. I was just waiting for you.
So tell me, how is the company?
Yeah, very well. We're all doing very well. We're actually waiting for you to get done with your school so that you come and head the marketing department.
Yeah, Chief told me so.
One more thing.
Oh, what is it?
You've not replied to my proposal.
You know I love you. But I am just taking my time. You know, after what I have been through, I just want to focus on myself to get better first. To be okay not to depend on any man before I can think of going into another marriage. So I hope you understand.
Yeah, no problem. There's no pressure. Just take your time. It's fine. You're good, right? Let's enjoy the moment here. Please.
Good day, Mama. This is my lawyer, Barrister Ifeoma Tuegu. Here.
Divorce paper. See, I'm not going to sign this thing. We are married and we are legally married. Take this thing, I'm not signing this one.
Listen, Ekume. It is in your best interest that you sign these papers. Because you and I know that this marriage was in shambles.
I'm not going to do it.
It's fine then. I'll move on to plan B. I am going to report you and your family for domestic violence. And I am also going to report Ifunanya here for murder. I am going to report her for killing my son. And trust me, I have evidence to back that up.
Ekume, sign the papers. Please give him the papers.
Better do.
Better for you. May our paths never cross again.